Today's Bible verse is from James 1. Here, there. James 1 verse 19. So let's read it quickly. Know this, my dear brothers. Everyone should be quick to hear, slow to speak, slow to wrath. So the explanation of this verse is quite straightforward actually. Jesus talks about this, or James rather, is the one who tells his brothers or the people, this brother, but yeah, the people, that everyone should be quick to hear his words. Everyone should be slow to speak and slow to wrath. What does this mean? Slow to speak and slow to wrath. Because we should be someone who will be understandable. That's why it says slow to speak. And we should be someone who isn't as angry as we should. That's why it's called slow to wrath. So that's pretty straightforward. And it also means that we shall be kind. Kind and someone who listens. And someone who can make people understand understand his words. That's why it says slow to speak and slow to wrath. Now, the word quick to hear, it means you should be quick, or you should know and be there when someone talks, like because this verse, these three words signifies or just says that just listen to his words, which means God. Listen to the words that he talks about. That's what James was talking about when he read this, when he did this book or read this book. You should be quick to hear his words. You should be kind and understanding, as it says here. So the lesson for this verse is that everyone should be quick. Yeah, that's what it says. Quick to hear his word. Everyone should be understandable and be kind to others. That's why it calls slow to speak and slow to hear. So that's the daily verse of today. James 1 verse 19. Know this, my dear brothers, everyone should be quick to hear and slow to speak and slow to wrath. So that's the daily verse